Well, welcome back to Gruff Family Projects, and today's project is going to be another inside video. Anyway, it's going to have to do with my program Lightworks. And if you guys have ever used Lightworks, you know some cameras, the footage don't work on it very good. And I'm going to show you a workaround. The audio will separate from the video. I like to use, so I've got this old Canon, no, it's a Kodak camera. I use it a lot in a lot of my videos I do, but its footage is not cooperative with that program. And I run Linux with Lightworks and it jumps ahead. Well, I've got another computer too, it's got Windows on it, and if I load the footage up, the program crashes. So anyway, I'm going to show you a good workaround that I found it works really well for me. So I want to start recording my screen. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to load up Lightworks. And let's go load up one of my older projects. Let's see. Here's a tree one. Let's open that. Actually, no. Let's do something different. I had an even better idea. Oh, I should just load up Lightworks. Let's create a new project, and let's call this Lightworks Audio. Create. Okay, and I'm going to give you an idea. Let's import some clips. Go down here to videos. Cutting where it dawns. Okay. See all these MOV files? Let's load one of them up. And let's play it. Gruff Family Projects, and today's project I want a neighbor. That's a guy I work with. It's a dad, but he lives right. Okay, now see how all the audio is separated? How it's not working right? You see down here in this section, all the audio is compressed down and nothing is showing throughout the rest of it. Okay, let's go back and fix that. I'm going to load a program called Kadian Live, which it's actually another video editor program. And I'm going to use it for a file conversion. Which, yes, you could actually do all your video editing with this program, but I like all the features of Lightworks, and for it being free also, I just rather use it. But anyway, what I will do here is I'll add a clip in. Let's go up one more. And I picked that clip from Cutting Wood at Dawns. That was the first clip right here. And see how it asks right here to switch it to a different profile? Because that's what it is. It's a variable frame rate, and that program has troubles with that. I don't know what the deal is. So I'll switch it. Takes a minute to switch. I'll drag it down to the timeline, and then I'll play it. I'm Champion Gruff Family Projects, and today's project I want to cut this log up for my neighbor. That's a guy I work with. It's a dad, but he lives. Okay, see how the audio stayed right there with it. So you can either, if you got multiple clips, you could go ahead and add them on the timeline and make one long clip, or you could do this individually in each step. Well, I'm just going to do this one just to show you an example. So I've got it right there. I'm going to go to Project. We'll go to Render. And let's see. We need to output the file. Let's see where we want to name it. Let's see. I want to call this Lightworks Audio KDN Live. Because this, I'm using KDN Live to do this. Let's put in videos. Cutting when it dawns. Okay, here, let's do that again. To keep everything separated, I always put KDN Live in the name of it. Let's say this is going to be Lightworks Audio. And then I'm just going to render it to file. And it don't take very long to do this. Looks like it's going to be 4 minutes. Anyway, I'm using the Lightworks or the KDN Live as a file converter program, which I have tried file converter programs instead of doing it this way, and sometimes it works, sometimes they didn't. This way, I found it works every single time. I've never had any issues doing it like this. But anyway, it works out pretty good, I think. So anyway, we're going to skip ahead on this, and I'll pick up when it's done. Alright, now with the magic of filmmaking, I'm going to just jump ahead and to this finished product. Okay, it got done right there, so I'm just going to close this, and I'm just going to go ahead and close out KDN Live. And I do not want to save changes, so do not save. Okay, now I'm back to this. Let's go ahead and import that clip. Go down here to videos. Let's see, cutting with it on. And KDN Live, Lightworks Audio. Right there's my file. So let's import that. And let's go ahead and let's just add it. Now if we play this file, I'm Champion Grow Family Projects, and today's project I want to cut this log up for my neighbor. That's a guy I work with, it's his dad, but he lives right across the field. See, the audio worked just fine on that. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just showing you guys this, so I'm not going to keep any of this, but let's just delete that. And then here we go. Well, that's funny, that kind of went a little different right there. Let's just do that all over again. Start that up. I messed something up right there. I don't even know what I did. It's like I said, I'm still learning the program, Lightworks, but it really is a nice program. Import clips, videos. Import that. There we go. I don't know what the heck I did to that screen. But you see the whole audio is actually for the whole thing now. Which, let's see, tracks. We add a video track. I'm not used to showing somebody this, so I'm a little nervous doing it at the same time. I want to make sure I grab the same clip. Now this is the one. Same exact clip, and you can see the audio difference. So this is a really good fix. I like it. It's how I do it, and it works well. Now, like I said, I'm using all the free stuff, which I wouldn't mind actually paying for this, but I just don't see any need to do it yet. So anyway, I hope this video is helpful for someone out there. And if you have any questions on anything else, just feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'll see if I can answer them best as I can. So anyway, guys, have a great day.